so vlogmas is now over, but I'm gonna keep vlogging on my trip some days. It's just gonna like be aware that it's gonna be a really long vlog. I don't know how this is gonna work out at the end, but yeah, I'm currently in line to go use the bathroom. There's somebody in there, I believe. We are in, where are we right now? What is it called here? Or are we still in El Salvador? ¿Cómo se llama aquí?
A taco.
It's called a taco, and she's like, it's a taco. Look at how cool this looks. They made out of discs. Everything's just so antique looking, like we're all sitting right there. But it's just pretty nice. Like, look at this. It's like a bird.
Now we are at the taco. And here's my family.
Okay, stop. We'll make it right. People left really good comments. Everyone's like, I'm gonna miss you vlogging in Central America. When are you gonna come to California? Summer 2015. There's a hole right there. Are you gonna escape? Go down the rabbit hole, Alice.
Come on, Walking Dead.
Walking Dead?
El padre.
You guys see the Walking Dead? You know the father goes under the hole. I'm gonna fall. Hi guys.
What's up?
My favorite cousin, so he doesn't get jealous. It's my little brother.
Ethan and Eric is gonna get jealous.
They're my nephews. They're not my brothers.
They are your favorite nephews.
You're my cousin though. They're my nephews. Santa Maria for Christmas.
Oh, yes, see.
Nothing?
Nothing.
That's
This.
that is so not cool.
A manicure.
A manicure. You flipped off the camera.
¿Dijiste?
I said, what is Santa Maria for Christmas? And you flipped off the camera. That's like the ugliest effing thing I've seen in my life. This isn't vlogmas
The ugliest thing I've seen in my life. And that too, and that too, and that, and that.
And that especially,
Yeah.
especially that one. You threw pepper all over me. This is a nice fountain, so I'm gonna zoom it in to show it to you guys. There you go. I don't know. You're so weird. Selfie. So tell me, how's your day going? How's your day going? Why are you taking pictures?
Excelente.
Excelente. Oh, look at all the purses that they sell here. Really nice. They all say like El Salvador. They're really nice. Look at all these bags. I don't know if Richard's been watching my vlogs, but I remember he was watching, or he like mentioned like El Salvador is not what it like reminds me of when I used to live out there when I was a baby. And I was like, Richard, like this is probably the side of El Salvador you remember, because back in San Salvador and Santa Elena and all that, it's like really Americanized. So ponche. Okay, you guys want to know what ponche is? Mom, do you want to explain to them what ponche is? ¿Qué es el ponche? Like all the alcohol.
Alcoholcito con lechita.
It's like all the alcohol in the world mixed together with like milk. It's really weird.
Its name? Ponche with piquete.
Piquete. Don't know what that is. Tío Murray.
Y allá empecemos a...
Alright, look at this beautiful painting. Very El Salvadorian. I'm gonna take a picture of Ale. Do a dance. Do something.
No.
Let's film. Like that could be our background. No. It's like the taxi things from India. We're puebleandoing. Pueblean. Say it.
Puebleando.
Puebleando.
No.
What?
No.
Screw both of you, okay? I'm gonna say it how I want to say it.
Puebleando. No.
I want that backpack. I want one of those backpacks. Bucket hat. Are you going camping? Oh my god. Bye. Oh man, who needs a roller coaster? We got the Aventuro. Theo wants one of those. He made a friend. This is like the real Salvadorian stuff. Who did that? My mom. What a fail. Look at all this cool food. Awesome. This month, you basically mix all of that together and give it to you, and you basically die. this is where I'm spending my day. Haven't vlogged in a while, but I'm back at the beach place. We're all here. I'm gonna go into the water. Really nice. I'm still wearing my dress. It's really hot though. I want to show you guys their puppies. Their puppies are so cute. They're Frenchies. Hi. Oh my god, aren't you so cute? And they have an all black one. Hi. Hi, cutie. Oh, you're so cute.
Se muere por un pescado así de grandote relleno, lo quieren con camarones.
I just got out of the water. My hair is soaked. I don't know how bad I look right now. There's a pool. There's the ocean. There's Alice. There's Manuel.
This is how we fight on Swedish mode.
On what?
Swedish mode. Swedish mode.
Where'd you get that from? What YouTuber did you learn that from?
PewDiePie.
PewDiePie. Oh my god, he's obsessed with PewDiePie. Yo no voy primero. Yo. Oh,
Los negros primero.
oh, then I'm last.
Manuel is singing.
Alright, we're all on a boat. We don't know what's gonna happen. I'm really scared. Look at that. Podemos cantar.
Mete la mano.
No. We're on a boat. We're on a boat. Go look at me. This one's still on. The struggle is real. Good luck, ladies. George is gonna drive. I don't think we're safe anymore. Keep us alive. So we're on a boat. Really exciting. Here's the beam. There are two beams. They're falling off the tube. Just George, he's still on! He's still on! Ingrid at Dreamland though. We'll buy everyone ice cream who shows up. Actually not, because I'm poor. I know! I actually despise this effing song. I'm not happy. Thank you. Send help. Send help. Oh my god, no! So, I'm on the plane on my way home. There's Princess, and there's Niner. There's the window. It's my new bag that I got. Cheers. Go ahead. You first. Go ahead.
Okay, salud.
Drink, just drink it. It's so weird.